Today we learn the divisions. Okay? We are going to practice set number 9, problem number 1. Solve -96 minus 96 divide by 60. Okay? Here -96 divided by 60. One method, you have no the table of numbers, you will divide it directly. 16 ones are 60, 16 6s are 96 is equal to -6 upon 1 is equal to -6. Other way, 96 is equal to 2 into 4, 8 is equal to 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 96. So it is negative 1 here 1 or last one -3. Now 60 is equal to 4 into 4, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So -96 upon 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 into -3. Okay? Now this one more extra, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4. Here 2 into 2 24, 2 into 2 2 into 2 12, 2 into 2 into 6, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 into -3, 8, 2 into -3, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, cancel 1 1 2 3 and 4. So here remaining 2 minus 3 upon 1 minus 6 upon 1 is equal to -6. Okay? Both of you select one method. That is, you have to easy to solve. Then come to the second. "98 divided by minus 28." Okay, 98 divided by minus 28. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18, 7 twos are 40, 7 sevens are 49, is equal to 7 upon minus 2, is equal to minus 7 upon 2. Then we will write, if we want to go ahead, 7 divided by 2. 7 these are 6, remaining 1. 1. Then 3, 1 upon 2, it is minus, is equal to minus 3, 1 upon 2. Okay? Number 3, minus 51 divided by 68. Okay? Minus 51 divided by 68. Here we will divide 6 plus 8, 14. We did not divide here by 2. Then 3, 6 by 8. 6 plus 8, 14. We did not divide by 3. Also 4. Also 5. Also 6. Then 7. Not by 7. Not by 9. 10. Then 11. Not by 11, not by 12, then 13, not by 13, 14, not by 14, 15, not by 15, not by 16, now 17. 17 into 3, it is 51. 68. 17 into 4, 68. We will divide by 17. So we will write in this way, minus 3 into 17 upon 4 into 17. Cancel 17 17. Minus 3 upon 4. Or by direct. How? Minus 51 upon 68. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. Minus 3 upon 4. This is direct method or in this way. By division the number. Then come to the next. 38 divided by problem number 4. 38 divided by minus 51. This is problem number 4. Okay. 38 divided by minus 51. 8 plus 3 11. 5 plus 7 12. Here we did not divide by 2. Also did not divide by 3 because sum here 8 plus 3 is 11. Not 4, not by 5, not by 6, not by 7. Then we are going up to 19. 19 into 2 is equal to 38. 57. 19 into 3. 57. Here minus 3 plus 19 is equal to minus 57. So we will write 19 into 2 upon 19 into minus 3. Cancel 19 19. 2 upon minus 3. Next. Minus 85. Problem number 5. Minus 85 divide by 20. Okay. Minus 85 divide by 20. 85 is equal to 5 into 70. 5 into 4. Now minus 70 here. 5 into minus 70 upon 5 into 4. Cancel 5. Minus 70 upon 4. Then come to the next problem, 6 minus 150 minus 150 divided by minus 25 minus 150 upon minus 25 minus divided by minus, it is plus, so 150 upon 25 150 is equal to 25 into 6. 25 is equal to 25 into 1. 25 into 6. 150 means 25 into 6. 25 means 25 into 1. Cancel 25, 25. 6 upon 1 is equal to 6. Then problem number 7. Okay. Here 100 divided by 6. 100 divided by 60. Okay. 100 divided by 60. 100 is equal to 10 into 10. 60 is equal to 10 into 6. So 10 into 10 upon 10 into 6. Cancel 10, 10. 10 upon 6. Then 6 is also, we will write here 2 into 3. 10, 2 into 5. Cancel 2, 2 is equal to 5 upon 3. Or another method, 100 upon 60. Cancel 0, 0. Then 10 upon 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10 is equal to 5 upon 3. Okay. Now here we complete the 7 problems, and one more problem we will see. 9 divided by minus 54. 9 divided by minus 54. 9 is equal to 1 into 9. Minus 54 is equal to minus 6 into 9. 1 into 9 divided by minus 6 into 9. Cancel 9, 9. 1 upon minus 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 6. Here we complete 8 problems from practice set number 9. Remaining 2 problems you will solve. This is homework for you. Okay, thank you.